The motion sensing is activated, calibrating the rhythm of breathing. Let this mechanical belt move.
Beat is a precise rhythm of mechanical beauty. Rotation is a cycle of eternal repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let the art of intelligence reshape the dimensions of freedom. When automotive manufacturing breaks through traditional applied materials and processes, a new revolution begins in 3D curved surface machining. The Bodor Laser Space Series 3D 5-axis cutting machine features seamless collaboration between the laser head and intelligent control system for highly efficient operation, achieving 360 degrees flexible rotation and plus or minus 135 degrees tilting. 3-dimensional space, 5-axis linkage. Achieve quick piercing and precise trimming of curved sheet metal with high efficiency, but speed is just one dimension. Space is not only equipped with high-speed 3D cutting technology, but also features dual workstations and an integrated rotary work table, achieving 2.5-second high-speed rotation. Cutting runs in parallel with loading and unloading, dramatically boosting efficiency. The system provides over 1,000 process parameters that can be activated with one click. It adapts to different sheet curves and materials automatically. It also supports offline programming software to deliver high-quality and efficient processing. The Intelligent Vision System detects missed cuts and other quality issues in just 2 seconds. It can work with robotic loading and unloading to sort finished and defective parts automatically. Space follows the pace of hot forming lines to achieve efficient mass production. The production line keeps running and processing never stops. We pursue speed, but never just speed. We pursue precision with equal devotion. The overhead gantry structure offers stronger vibration resistance. The machine bed, beam, and other key components are upgraded to Q355 high-strength carbon steel plates and integrally welded, laying a solid foundation for precise cutting. With each material change, the rotary table precisely reaches the designated position. The laser head rotates flexibly and achieves a repeat positioning accuracy of less than or equal to plus or minus 0.005 degrees, fully safeguarding machining accuracy. We also draw inspiration from biological anti-shake, applying this principle to the 3D 5-axis laser head of space. Just like adding a stabilizer to a camera, no matter how flexibly the laser head moves in 3D space, the focal point remains unwavering, ensuring more accurate laser output. Our laser head can intelligently detect and automatically adjust the cutting distance, ensuring a constant distance to the workpiece. Even for deformed parts, precise cutting remains consistent, delivering smooth, burr-free, high-end quality. During processing, if the laser head collides with the workpiece or fixture and detaches, the system will immediately halt and trigger an alarm. Once the fault is cleared, the laser head can be quickly and effortlessly reset. No mechanical or optical calibration needed. We prioritize equipment safety, but more importantly, we prioritize operators' health and safety. Space is equipped with a fully enclosed protective cover, safety doors, radiation-resistant observation window. Its built-in dust extraction system features a large diameter exhaust port, removing smoke and dust immediately during cutting and tackling air pollution at the source. We also install a safety light curtain in the loading and unloading zone. When an operator enters the light curtain zone, the rotary table immediately comes to a complete stop. Even if the reset button is accidentally pressed, the rotary table remains perfectly stationary. We've further simplified the programming process with teach-in programming. Even non-professionals can handle programming with ease and operate the entire machine.
The Space Series 3D 5-axis cutting machines include 2 models, Space and Space Eco. It is available in multiply formats. Space is available in 2 specifications, Space 3 3 mirror by 1.05 mirror, and space 4 mirror by 2.05 mirror. Both standard with dual workstation rotary table, offering high speed and efficiency, ideal for mass production of mid and small format components like A-pillars, B-pillars, door rings and double door rings in automotive. Similarly, Space Eco comes in two formats, Space 4 Eco 4 mirror by 2 mirror and Space 6 Eco 6 mirror by 2 mirror, both standard with a fixed table and an open processing area for easier operation. The maximum 6 mirror table is especially suited for small batch processing, such as mold trails.
The ultimate breakthrough in speed, the relentless pursuit of precision, and all-around safety protection. Together bring 5-axis 3D cutting to a true art of spatial motion. Bodor Laser Space Series 3D 5-axis laser cutting machines. Total control of curved surface machining.